Them say good friend better than pocket money, and that's true. Who can remember our first childhood friend? We told them everything, and as we got older, even people business. Good friends are treasures when we find them. They are our confidants. They shop with us for people we care about and are generous to a fault. But most of all, they are our prayer warriors. We are covered 24/7. We admire our friend who is there when we need to be reassured that every little thing is gonna be all right. And the high achiever who shares our achievements, high five to ya. A Satideh Mawnin Runnings with Lady D and the crew. Come, make we talk.